Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to join a campaign in your client area. In just a few easy steps, you'll be able to explore and participate in the latest promotions. First, go to our website and log into your client area using your username and password. Next, make sure your account is verified. If it isn't, complete any required verification steps so you can see the campaign list in your client area. After logging in, head to the Traders menu on the left-hand side and look for the Promotions tab. Here, you'll see a list of current campaigns. Find the one you'd like to join and click on it. For this example, let's go with the Gold Back Rewards bonus campaign. On the Campaigns page, you'll find a Click to Join button in blue. Before selecting it, take a quick look at the rules and important information about this campaign. Once you're ready, click the button to move on to the next step. Before you can fully join, you'll be asked to review and accept the campaign's terms and conditions. After reading them, check the box to confirm, and you're all set. Follow the on-screen instructions or any listed campaign requirements to complete your participation. That's it, you've successfully joined the promotion. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!